how to top up and add your credit card on crypto.com Visa card. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to top up and add your credit card to crypto.com Visa card. In doing this, you have to first of all log in into your crypto app, and when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you have to go in, tap on the card in the icon at the bottom of the screen, then go ahead and press the gear icon at the top right to access the card settings. Select add credit card options and fill out the credit card information including card number, expiry date and CVV. Next, you have to follow the verification process, which may include a small temporary charge to your card for verification process. Once again, log into your crypto.com app. Then you have to navigate to the card icon and click on top up button. As you've done that, select the credit card as your funding source, specify the amount you want to top up, and review the details and confirm the transaction. The funds will be added to your crypto.com Visa card balance. So that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.